In labs, test ranges, and classified facilities across America, a new generation of military technology is taking shape. Machines that don't need a human inside them, weapons that can find their targets with terrifying precision, systems so advanced that other nations are watching closely, trying to understand exactly what they're up against. 7 systems, 7 glimpses into the next era of warfare. Welcome to Quantum BattleCore. Let's see what's keeping the world's military analysts up at night. Number 1. The Ripsaw M5. Tanks have always needed a crew inside them. The Ripsaw M5 changes that completely. This is an unmanned electric drive combat vehicle, meaning it can be sent into the most dangerous combat zones on Earth without risking a single human life inside its armor. Powered by a hybrid electric drivetrain, the M5 delivers near-silent operation at low speeds, allowing it to approach threats without giving away its position through engine noise, a massive tactical advantage over traditional diesel tanks. It can be operated remotely from a safe distance or potentially run autonomously using onboard AI systems, scouting ahead of human soldiers and absorbing the risk that would otherwise cost American lives. Its modular design allows it to be configured for reconnaissance, direct combat, or logistics support, adapting to whatever mission the battlefield demands. The Ripsaw M5, proof that the tank of the future doesn't need anyone sitting inside it. Number 2. The XQ-67A. What if fighter jets didn't need to be built one at a time, but could be mass-produced like cars off an assembly line? The XQ-67A is built around a revolutionary concept called genealogy of systems, using a common core chassis that can be rapidly adapted into different mission-specific drones, dramatically cutting production time and cost. This unmanned combat aircraft is designed to fly alongside manned fighter jets, acting as an autonomous wingman capable of carrying sensors, weapons, or electronic warfare equipment, depending on the mission. Because it's unmanned, it can take on extreme risks that would never be acceptable for a human pilot, flying directly into contested airspace to scout or strike before manned aircraft ever arrive. This program represents a fundamental shift in how America builds combat aircraft, faster, cheaper, and disposable enough to be produced at massive scale. The XQ-67A, Combat Aviation Reimagined. Number 3. The Ghost X. Small, silent, nearly impossible to detect. The Ghost X is a modular, small, unmanned aerial system designed to be reconfigured rapidly for completely different missions. Reconnaissance one day, electronic warfare the next, precision strike capability when needed. Its modular payload bay allows operators to swap components in the field, transforming the same airframe into whatever tool the mission requires, without needing an entirely different aircraft for every task. Its compact size and quiet operation make it ideal for close-range surveillance, slipping into contested areas where larger aircraft would be detected immediately. This kind of flexible, rapidly adaptable drone technology represents where the future of small-scale unmanned systems is heading. Versatile, affordable, and difficult to track. The Ghost X. Small in size, massive in versatility. Number 4. The Manta Ray. The ocean's depths have always been one of the hardest places on Earth to operate undetected. The Manta Ray was built to dominate them anyway. This extra-large, uncrewed underwater vehicle is designed for long-duration missions, capable of operating for extended periods without surfacing or requiring support from a host ship. It can harvest energy directly from its underwater environment, dramatically extending its operational range compared to traditional battery-powered submarines. Its low-power, energy-efficient design allows it to remain submerged and undetected for months at a time, conducting surveillance or other missions far from any visible support. This represents a completely new category of underwater autonomous systems designed to operate independently, far from human oversight, for unprecedented lengths of time. The DARPA Manta Ray, silent, self-sufficient, and built for the deep. Number 5. The Trident II D5. This is one of the most powerful deterrent weapons ever created. The Trident II D5 is a submarine-launched ballistic missile with intercontinental range, capable of being fired from beneath the ocean surface and striking targets thousands of miles away with extreme precision. Carried aboard America's fleet of ballistic missile submarines, this missile system represents a core pillar of strategic deterrence, designed never to be used, but to ensure that any potential adversary understands the consequences of escalation. Its accuracy and range have made it one of the most technologically advanced strategic weapons in the world for decades, continuously upgraded to remain effective against evolving defense systems. This is not a weapon built for offense, it's a weapon built to maintain peace through strength. The Trident II D5, silent beneath the waves, ready if it's ever needed.
Number 6. The UFQ-44A Fury. Built by Anduril, a company founded by tech entrepreneurs rather than traditional defense contractors, the Fury represents a completely new approach to combat aviation. This autonomous fighter drone is designed to fly directly alongside human pilots, using advanced AI to make rapid tactical decisions in real time, extending the eyes, sensors, and weapons of an entire fighter squadron without putting additional pilots at risk. The Fury was selected as part of the Air Force's Collaborative Combat Aircraft program, designed specifically to be produced quickly, affordably, and at the scale modern conflicts demand. Its AI systems allow it to operate semi-independently, reacting to threats and adjusting its flight path faster than a human pilot managing multiple aircraft ever could. This is what happens when Silicon Valley innovation meets military engineering. Fast, adaptive, and built for the next generation of aerial combat. The Anduril Fury and AI Wingman, built for the modern battlefield. And number 7, the SiAW missile. Modern air defense networks have become some of the most sophisticated systems on Earth, layered, networked, and incredibly difficult to penetrate. The SiAW was built specifically to solve that problem. Standing for Stand-in Attack Weapon, the SiAW is a next-generation precision missile designed to neutralize advanced enemy air defense systems before they can threaten Allied aircraft. It combines high speed with advanced guidance technology, allowing it to strike heavily defended targets with the level of precision that older missile systems simply cannot match. This weapon represents a serious leap forward in suppressing the world's most advanced air defense networks, technology built to keep American and Allied pilots safer in increasingly contested airspace. Every system on this list points toward the same conclusion. The future of warfare is faster, smarter, and increasingly autonomous. The SiAW missile, precision engineering, built for the most dangerous skies on Earth. If this opened your eyes, smash that like button, subscribe to Quantum BattleCore, and hit the bell so you never miss what's coming next, because the next generation of warfare is already being built.